Probably the most important thing that you'll get to learn and understand is how you structure your questions in order for the LLM to receive your prompt in a structured way is going to give you the best and most effective output possible. If you only remain transactional in nature, then you're missing the trick. It's like you've got a Formula One racing car and you've got it in first gear. So moving from transactional into conversational and collaborative in nature. So starting prompting with things like, hey, chat, I'm trying to figure out this problem. Work beside me as we figure out the right amount of context in order for you to go and do the work is a very different conversation that you're having with the tool versus, hey, I need this, give me that, and then out you go. So this is probably the most important thing that we've seen in terms of how people interact with the tool. So we've got to change the way that we think about using these tools, and this is really important. In CoSTAR, it's context, objective, style, tone, audience, and response. So this is the second one. So instruct, context, and examples. Examples are a really powerful way in order to steer the tool in the right direction. So if you're writing the instructions and giving it context and giving it examples, then it's got even more in the contextual window to be able to work with, to be able to provide you with the right output. It's an acronym for context, role, action, format, and tone. In the next chat window, we're asking chat, I'm about to personalize my settings. Ask me 10 questions that you need me to answer so you can help me fill out the personalization of my settings. That's a great example of reflective modeling. We think that humans and AI working together and alongside each other is the most powerful combination, not giving your power away to chat and saying, hey, here's my problem, give me the solution. If you're working in a reflective modeling way, it'll ask you questions, it'll ask for you to clarify things, and then therefore we get to be involved in how it's going to set up tackling the response and the answers to your questions. But if we only do that, we're in first gear, we miss the next 4 or 5 gears, and there is a whole world of opportunity open up to us in terms of where we can go with the way that the model interacts with us from this point forward. So if you're writing these prompts out for yourself and you ask chat to help you rewrite the prompt, now you can use one of the formats that we've listed here, or you can ask for clarifying questions, or you could just get chat to help you. Can you help me rewrite this prompt before you begin the work? So that's a great tip that you can use, because what happens is it's always going to rewrite your prompt in a much more thorough and well-structured way than we can. So the free hit here is to use the tool to help build the tool and get a better response. And that's where we want to go with using the tool to build the tool.